Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome back to 5-Minute Econometrics, a program focusing on fundamental econometric concepts and estimation methods. Today, we will explore the asymptotic normality of the OLS estimator. When we have a large sample, the OLS estimator is asymptotically normally distributed under the Gauss-Markov Assumptions. It allows us to perform the t-test and the f-test in large sample inference. This is called the asymptotic normality of OLS. Recall that the Gauss-Markov assumptions contain 5 assumptions: linear in parameters, random sampling, no perfect collinearity, zero conditional mean or zero correlation, and homoscedasticity. The normality assumption is not included in the Gauss-Markov assumptions. Therefore, the asymptotic normality of the OLS estimator does not depend on the normality assumption of the error term. Unlike in the finite sample, where the normality assumption is needed for econometric inference, the normality assumption is not required for large sample inference because the OLS estimators satisfy asymptotic normality as long as we have a large enough sample. In other words, even though the outcome variable y is not from a normal distribution, we can still use the t statistics and the f statistics to determine the significance of the estimates. In practice, we encounter many variables that are not normally distributed, such as wages and salaries. They usually have a right-skewed distribution because a small number of individuals earn extremely high wages, which pulls the average to the right and away from the median. Taking the logarithm of wages alleviates the problem but cannot eliminate it. Fortunately, we can use wages as the outcome variable in the model, and the t-test and the f-test are valid in the large sample inference, according to the asymptotic normality of OLS. In the context of a large sample or asymptotic inference, the standard error is called asymptotic standard error. Similarly, we have the asymptotic t-statistics and the asymptotic confidence intervals in large sample inference. We can still use all statistics and estimation methods we have learned in the finite sample case, with the understanding that sometimes they have only a large sample justification. Today, we have learned the asymptotic normality of the OLS estimator when the sample size is large enough. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon. Take care. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.